So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. So now once you're on this link, you want to scroll down, and then you want to get either the 64-bit architecture download or the 32-bit. So to know which one that you need, you want to head over to search and type in system information, click on it, and the next system type is going to tell you, so I'm using x64. For you, it's most likely going to say x64 as well, or it might say x32 or x86. 32 and 86 are the same thing, but for most of you, it's going to be 64 anyway. So we're going to click off this, and you want to download the one that you need. So in my case, it's going to be 64. So you're going to click on download. The download is going to start automatically. You're going to wait for this, and now it's here. And now once we have this, you just want to right click and then click on show in folder. Now we're going to have this right here. So you're going to right click on the zip file that we just downloaded, and then click on extract all. And then you can untick this and then click on extract, which will then make it appear here. You want to double click on this, and then you're going to find the d3dx9_30.dll. So I'm just going to drag this to my desktop. I'm just going to put this on my desktop right here. Now I'm going to close out this and this as well. And now we have it on our desktop. And now you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and click on this PC. And then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. So now you're going to double click on it. And now you're going to click on Windows. And now once you're on this, if you downloaded the 64-bit DLL file like I did, because I've got a 64-bit system, then you want to scroll down until you find System32. Here it is. You want to find the System32 if you downloaded the 64-bit DLL file, just like me. So now you want to drag this into the System32 folder. Continue. And now we have that there. And if you downloaded the 32-bit one, so if you got the 32-bit one, which is the other one, which is this one right here, Architecture 32, then instead you want to drag that into the sysfile 64. So if you downloaded the 64 one, you want to drag that into 32, and if you downloaded the 32 one, you want to drag that into 64. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.